Okay, next Yes2Maths video about the use of half ABC to find the area of a triangle. One or two people have been confused when the ABC are labelled on the triangle and they are not in the place we want them, so ideally we want that to be C because we want that to be the angle. But half AB sine C is only one version of the formula. Equally valid, we could have half BC sine A, or we could have half AC sine B. They are three versions that do the same job, depending on which way round you label your triangle, depending on which three. Remember, we're looking for that trio, an angle, knowing both sides next to the angle or adjacent to the angle. So anytime we look for that three, we can use any of those three. Tend not to teach that there are three equally important, equal ways of doing it. I tend to just have one that's much easier to remember, half AB sine C. But we could use whichever one of these. So let's just check. We now know angle B. So this is the one we would use this time. So if we're going to work on this triangle here, remember we need to label that A, label that C, label that B. In my formula I've got half AC sine B. There's A, there's C, and there's the angle B. So I can plug that into my calculator. 1/2 multiplied by A, that's 12. C, that's 11. And sine 47. If we type that in, scientific calculator, half times 12 times 11 times sine 47, and it will give us 48.2693 dot. As usual, 48.3 centimetres squared to three significant figures. However, there's a second way of going about this question. If we met this question, even if it had its labels A, B and C, there's nothing to stop us drawing exactly the same triangle, putting it on our page, drawing it underneath, drawing it next to it, and going for our favourite, half AB sine C. So this time we label this C, we label that one A and that one B, so we get side A, side B and side C. I've now got A that I want, the B that I want, and the angle at C that I want. This time, plug those numbers in. 1/2 multiplied by A multiplied by B multiplied by sine C. And you see we get exactly the same calculation. So we'll end up with exactly the same answer, the 48.3 centimetres squared. Important to know that there are rearrangements, but you don't need to learn three rearrangements. You just need to know half AB sine C for your area of a triangle. And be prepared to redraw it and relabel sides. Sometimes it could be M, N and P, it could be Q, S and T. We can just use exactly the same formula. We can relabel it ourselves, or we can adapt the formula to fit with the triangle.